Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, I'm going to show you how to get cheap CP on Call of Duty Mobile without breaking the bank. Now let's get started. Open your browser and head over to the website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Select your country region to check if the deals are available in your area. This step is important because different regions may have different offers. Here, you'll find exclusive deals to get cheap CP on Call of Duty Mobile. These deals can save you money and let you enjoy more in-game purchases. To buy, tap on any CP offer that catches your eye. Then, tap on the Buy Now button to proceed with the purchase. Next, enter your Call of Duty Mobile player ID. This step ensures the CP is delivered directly to your account. After entering your player ID, select your desired amount of CP. Make sure you choose the right one for your gaming needs. Finally, tap on Buy Now to complete your transaction. Once the process is complete, open the game and enjoy spending your new CP points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more great tips and tricks.